Hey friends, if you wish to change the 24-hour clock to 12-hour clock in Windows, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. So here's what you have to do. Right click on the start button, select settings from the menu. Now go to the time and language tab on the list on the left hand side. Select language and region in the right pane, and then you can scroll down and expand the list for regional format. Okay, and then you can click on change formats. You have short time and you have long time here. Okay, so change short time from am or something to any option which does not have am or pm at the end, because that certainly becomes a 24-hour clock. Okay, and same for long time if you wish to show it in a longer manner, but this will only appear if you have the seconds clock selected. I usually don't, and we don't have it in our what do we say, system clock here. So short time is the main one. You can also use the this format, or you can use the format with 0 in the beginning, and as far as it doesn't mention am and pm at the end, it is a 24-hour clock. And if you change it to the one with am or pm, it will become a what do you say, 12-hour clock. Well, let me show you once again. It becomes a 24-hour clock now. It becomes uh, a 12-hour clock now. The changes are shown on the system clock where I'm hovering the mouse. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.